Alrighty, so this is my call center. This is my ticket class. I took a lot of the code from the last assignment because they were very similar. So I just added another data value to the node here. We've got ticket name, ticket description. I don't know why there's a default constructor there. I don't need that. We pass those values into this node constructor and give it a pointer. That's the only interesting part about that class. Construct a head node or initialize a head node, set it to null upon construction. Then we have our append method here. We initialize a current node pointer and then make an instance of a new node with those values. If the list is empty, you just assign that value to the head node. Otherwise, you traverse the list and then you add it at the end here. Delete from list. Again, we're initializing the current node to the head value. If it's null, or if it's not null, you overwrite the head node with the value, or with the pointer's value. And then you inform the user that it's been removed, and then you just break away from the method. And if there's nothing in there, you just say the queue is empty. Print list. It works just like the last one. You create a node, a head node, and then while it's not null, you print the ticket description, and then you traverse the list by assigning the current node to that node's pointer value, and then on the next iteration you just kind of leapfrog through it, and then that's just a little blank space at the end. I guess the menu is the newest thing. We just have like a little welcome screen, and then I put them in a while loop so you can add and remove and print as much as you want to your heart's desire. Menu here, we have the ticket name and description, menu selection. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. When you create a ticket, you just call that method and you pass those values into it as parameters or arguments, whichever is the correct term. And then we have this delete method and then the print list method. So let's run this and see how it works. Taking our time, apparently. Okay. There we go, finally. God. I guess it's a hardware problem. Thank you, God. Okay, so let's create a ticket. Well, first let's see this close ticket function. Set 2. Queue is empty because we haven't added anything, so we'll just enter and then we'll create a ticket. Do Momo and then just lemur noises. And then let's go again and let's add another one to Katara. And then we'll display the tickets so that everything is there. And then we'll remove, we'll remove the first one. Momo's ticket has been closed. And then we just have Katara. So that's my project. Thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reply.